All right, February 15th, 2011. We are testing, I believe, 2522.
I think it's 2230 or something.
2230 kingpin angles on our almost 6-inch wide wooden cam with 0 flat spot.
Yeah.
And pretty much the most radical buttboard shape ever.
Yeah. So yeah, we bolted a seat onto it because it just wasn't wide enough to torque it with your butt.
Yeah. And it wasn't even wide. It was too wide to torque with your own feet. So it made a better buttboard than...
Yeah. Or the cam was too wide for your feet.
Yeah. Which we're going to eventually modify, but at this point...
We're buttboarding.
Yeah. It's winter, right? Ready?